Hi, welcome back. My name is Lance Avery. I'm doing comfort food for COVID-19. Tonight we're doing breakfast for dinner. What we've got here is around 4 medium-sized, these are actually medium-sized red potatoes. You can either use red potatoes or russet potatoes. Those are my two favorite. I don't recommend using golden potatoes because they just become a little mushy. What we're doing here is bacon sausage hash brown. So this is our aged cheddar bacon sausage. I got 2 links there that were cut lengthwise twice and then chopped up. And then about 4 medium-sized to large potatoes. This will feed my family of 4. All I'm doing, adding those 2 ingredients together. Then let's take a teaspoon. This is granulated onion. Throw in a teaspoon of that. And a teaspoon of granulated onion. Okay? And let's do 2 teaspoons of salt. Okay? Mix that up. My kids don't like black pepper. You can obviously add black pepper if you wanted to. Just mix this up nice. Round. The beauty of using the aged cheddar bacon sausage is that it's got the cheese built in, so you don't have to add any cheese. And then here, now, the pan is nice and warm. I can feel it. I take a stick of butter and just coat the pan here with the butter. And then take, I got this in the mail today. This is Texana brand extra virgin olive oil. Thank you guys. They just gave me some to use. So we're gonna use it. Now, throw it down into the pan and cook this on medium heat till golden brown on one side. Here, I wanna show you this. What's important here with the red potatoes or russet potatoes is they're gonna get nice and crispy, but I'm gonna pat this down so it's good. It'll get good and crispy on the outside of both sides, and then it'll be kind of nice and like soft and gummy on the inside. So that is the key to a really good hash brown. Okay, looks like it's ready to go. We're on medium heat, and I'll let this cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Okay, I'll be back. All right, hey, welcome back. All right, I'm gonna just show you guys here right before the flip. It's starting to be golden brown on the outside, so it looks like it's gonna be nice. I want you guys, just, when you flip a pan, you flip it out and then back in. Let the curvature of the pan actually flip it, all right? See that? Nice golden brown. Look how those new potatoes. Now, I'm not gonna put any oil on the underside because there's sausage in there. It should provide enough oil for it to be nice and crispy. And then we're gonna put this, cook this for another 7 to 10 minutes, and then it's good to go. All right, I'll be back. Hey, welcome back. All right, check it out. It is complete. So it's crispy on the underside, it's crispy on the top side. We got the cheddar bacon sausage on the inside. We got a little bit of herb or a little bit of spice in there. And we're ready to go. All right, so all you have to do, lay it down on your cutting board. I got a pizza knife. So we're gonna cut this into 4s since we have 4 people in our family. And so it's gonna be nice and gooey on the inside, but crispy on the outside. That is the key to a good hash brown. Now, usually I would have something besides these tongs to transfer it, but this will work. There you go. And then I have a fried egg here. You can just do this. Simply put a fried egg on top. That's one variation. Or doing more the California style. So we got the hash brown here. Oops. I should have had a spatula. And then it kind of looks kind of junky. Hold on, let me get a piece. All right. go. And then put a little fanned avocado over the top. Or you could also do an egg on top and an avocado. So multiple options here. And that's it. It's breakfast for dinner for comfort food for COVID-19. Thanks again. Make sure and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook and, share. We'll see you around. Oh, and then tell me how it is. Of course, you go for the one with the avocado.
That's good.
Good stuff? Mm-hmm. All right. Enjoy.
Let's go.